Hello, this is Project Dakota, and today we're gonna talk about types of games. So you got your first AEG and you can't wait to use it. There's no need to open your window and start shooting cats, birds and people around you. Basically there are three types of games: deathmatch, scenario games and military simulation. Deathmatch, a lot of shooting, not so many players and no complicated scenario either. Scenario games, quite many players, quite interesting scenario and a lot of shooting. Military simulations, well, this is the game with quite complicated scenario where there'll be a lot of limitations in the rules. You're gonna need quite a lot of gear for that, and I wouldn't recommend it as one of your first games. Send us your best pictures in full airsoft gear on this email and we will post them in our next videos. This is Project Dakota. Peace.